But I remember you specifically saying, both of you, we're not going to let you fail.
Yes.
And so I said, okay, I'm in good hands. You took the time to make us feel comfortable. You took the time to make us do it the best way possible.
I remember when you did this the first time, I said, please do a second one.
You made it worth every single solitary penny. You brought it home.
What I love and noticed is the perfection of diversity in your room, just like it was months ago when you did the first one. The fact that there are people from all over the world, not just all over the country. Yeah. You attract the best. You know why? Because you are the best.
It's relit the spark in me that I had lost, and I'm very, very appreciative because now I have this hunger in me to just want to get out and speak to anyone who will listen.
Everyone who interacted with us here has been simply amazing and generous.
Yes.
Like truly, truly generous with who you are and what you have to offer to us.
Just the way you were able to put somebody at ease to come into that room, it was amazing.
This whole experience, trying not to cry, I've made so many human connections, and I'm so very grateful.
I can't really tell you how much you have changed my life in this past couple of days.
Thank you so much for seeing us and for really bringing out the best in us.
That is transformation.